Now let us solve example 12.7. This is your solved example 12.7. What is given? A electrical lamp whose resistance is 20 ohms and a conductor of 4 ohm are connected to a 6-volt battery. Calculate the total resistance of the circuit, current through the circuit, and the potential difference across the lamp and the conductor. So now what is given? There is an electrical lamp. Its resistance is 20 ohms. In a circuit, whichever element is there, it will have some resistance. If it is given that it is having this resistance, we have to take it. Otherwise, we have to assume that that resistance is negligible. In fact, the ammeter also has a resistance, the key also has the resistance, battery also has the internal resistance, but we have to ignore it if it is not given. If it is given a bulb, any element in a circuit will have a resistance. So this bulb is having a resistance of 20 ohms. You have a resistance of a conductor is 4 ohms. The voltage of the battery is 6 volt. And you have to calculate now. What all the things you have to calculate? You have to calculate the current in the circuit. Now what is the current in the circuit? The current which comes out of the battery is the current in the circuit. So if you have the battery voltage, you have the current. For using V is equal to IR, that is Ohm's law for a circuit, your R should be the equivalent resistance of the whole circuit. Okay, so if you are using V and if you are using R of the whole circuit, equivalent resistance, then you will get this I. So now first we will table down what all things are given. It is given V is equal to 6 volt, battery voltage is 6, R1 is equal to 4 ohms, R2 is equal to 20 ohms, RS is equal to how much, I is equal to how much, V1 is the potential drop across R1 and V2 is the potential drop across R2. Let us understand this potential drop also. Conceptually, what is the meaning of this 6 volt battery? Means it is giving this much energy. This battery is giving this much energy and this energy it gets used up at this place and this place. So the energy used at this place is V1 and here it is V2 and the total energy given by this is equal to V1 plus V2. So your V is equal to V1 plus V2 in a series circuit. We know this. Okay. So now step 1, this is a series connection. What is the formula for RS? RS is equal to R1 plus R2. So I have the RS. I have RS, equivalent resistance of the circuit. I have the voltage across the battery or the battery voltage. If I use Ohm's law for 6 volt and the RS, I will get current of the circuit. So therefore RS, first I will calculate RS. RS is equal to R1 plus R2, series connection. RS is equal to 4 plus 20, 24 ohms. Therefore, again RS is also equal to V upon I. Here V will be the voltage across the battery and I will be the circuit current. So from here I get the value of I is equal to 0.25 ampere. So now 0.25 ampere comes out of this battery and it enters here also and same current enters here. So if I name R1 is this resistance, V1 is the voltage and I1 is the current over here and I2 is the current over here, then I1 is equal to I2 which is equal to I. Now next, so I have calculated RS, I have calculated I. Now they are asking me voltage across R1, that is voltage drop. So V1. If I want V1, I will have to use I1 and R1. If I want to use V2, I will have to use I2 and R2. Simple. If I want to find I will have to use this V and R equivalent. Remember this. So always remember the current of the circuit is the current coming out of the battery. So if you use the voltage of the battery and the equivalent resistance of the circuit, you will get the current of the circuit, whatever is coming out of the battery. Okay, so we have calculated the value of I. Also I1 is equal to whatever I enters into R1, the same I enters over here. There is no change of path, so they are connected in series. I1 is equal to I2. So I1 is equal to I2 is equal to 0.25 ampere. Now I want V1. So V1 will be equal to I1 into R1. So V1 is I1 into R1, but I1 is nothing but I. I into R1, I is 0.25, R1 is 4, so answer is 1 volt. V1 is 1 volt. Similarly, V2 is equal to I2 into R2. I multiply by R2, it will be 0.25 multiplied by 20. Answer is 5 volt. And now you can cross verify also. This is 1 volt, this is 5 volt. If I add both of them, I get this as 6 volt. So the battery, the energy given by the battery is used at the both the resistances V1 and V2. V1 plus V2 is equal to. So this concept, this sum is very important and it covers most of the concepts. So please try to understand this sum properly. Okay, kindly note down this sum. Thank you.